To show respect. Well, I think to get respect, you have to show respect. So I think that the first step is to be very respectful in dealing with the child, and then and repetitiveness, so like not giving up, and just even if they're not being very respectful to you, continue to be, keep the quality components in check and continue to being respectful to them, and eventually it's by modeling.
Yeah, and and show them enough respect to want to know why they're upset.
Yeah, absolutely.
Take the extra step and saying, "I respect you enough. I want to listen to you,
Yeah,
and I want to know what's going on with you."
yeah,
Even if they don't want to tell you, but stay with it. Eventually, they're going to tell you. But the first time you ask them that, it's just going to be out of defiance. So
Yeah.
expect it. Don't get mad about it. Just expect
Yeah.
it. It's going to happen. But just stay persistent about it, and it will come around.